Assalamu alaikum. Am I audible, Aiza? Okay. All right. Thank you. Okay. We'll just start the class in a couple of minutes. Okay. Assalamu alaikum, Sanaullah. Sanaullah, can you hear me? Can you hear me, beta? We will just begin the class in a few minutes. As it's raining, I was thinking that with the electricity. So just wait for a couple of minutes and then we'll begin till 5 and then we'll start the class. Okay, thank you, Sanaullah. Okay, let's begin with the class. As more people will join us, they can listen to what we are doing. And
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Assalam, Gulina. And if they miss out something, they can watch the recording. Okay, so as this is our Canva class today, and we are about to learn some exciting AI powered tools. So just let me share my screen, and you people just let me know when it's visible for you. Okay, yes. Okay. Now please tell me, is it visible? Can you see my screen? Anyone of you can just answer me. That is my screen visible to you?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. All right. So I have already opened Canva because the internet is sort of creating some glitch. So just to avoid any kind of disturbance, I tried to open it before. So what are we going to learn today? Okay. This is going to be our Canva's last class as well. So I have just gathered a few apps which I will try कि हम जल्दी जल्दी करें ताकि we can cover a few things today. So the first AI tool that we are going to be working today on is this image en. Okay, image n. And what can happen over here is whatever we give the description and write it in the text, it can convert it into images. So jitna acha hamara prompt hoga, it is going to create that better kind of a image. So okay, let's choose a postcard, a poster, or anything that you want. कोई भी design आप choose कर लें. And then after once you have chosen, it might take a little time today. Okay, so we are waiting for it to load. And first it has opened the templates for us, and now it has started loading the image. Oh, this image in. Okay, now how are we going to get a picture? See, इसने example के लिए आपको एक यहाँ पे लिख के भी बताया हुआ है, a blue jay standing on large basket of rainbow macarons. So whatever you write here, it is going to create an image of it. So it is also telling you that add image, add detail like the subject, context, and style in your prompt. Okay. So what I want is I want an artistic picture of what. ठीक है. So एक example मैं आपको करके दिखाती हूँ, and the next you can do yourself. Okay, and I can wait for you. I want an artistic picture of since it's raining today, so I can say a rainy day on a city street. ठीक है. And I can add more people. I can say children playing, children playing in rainwater. Okay. So whatever the details I am going to be providing it, it is going to just try and create that image. अच्छा, आप जो है ना एक चीज और देखें, it is saying here model may output inaccurate or if offensive imagery that doesn't represent Google's view. ठीक है, ये कुछ अलग भी बना सकता है, since ये Google की इमेज नहीं है, it is going to be created by AI. ठीक है. So let's say and let's wait and see कि जो हमने इससे कहा था, is it creating something relevant or not. ठीक है. Okay, so see here I have got a picture. हम दोनों pictures को open करके देख लेते हैं. Alright, it's constantly giving you a flag and telling you that this technology is new and improving. So please check the accuracy. Okay, so I'm going to set it as image background to just have a clear look of how this looks like. Can you see the picture that AI has created? It's a wonderful rainy day, and the children are wearing raincoats and they are holding umbrellas, and it looks really beautiful. It seems like it's a painted picture. Doesn't it look like a painted picture?
Yes,
है
it
ना?
does look like.
It looks like a painted picture. तो ये एक बहुत ही प्यारी सी उसने हमें पिक्चर बना दी है. अच्छा, this is one of the images that it has generated. Let's check out the another one. ये भी मुझे अच्छी सी लग रही है, but I think the first one is more impressive. Let's. अच्छा, I am replacing it with the background, so it becomes a larger one, and we can easily view it. Okay. अच्छा, एक one of the pictures is this one. This is also nice, isn't it? But I like the first one better. So this is one of the things that you can create. कुछ और भी अगर आप चाहें, or if you want to give me any other prompt, feel free, write it in the chat box or read it aloud for me. I will write it here, and together we will see what has AI created for us. So all of you think and write one prompt in the chat box. Like I elaborated one. Now you write one in the chat box and tell me, so we will create it together. I am waiting for your prompts. Take your time, think, and then write it, okay? And if you need my help, please ask. Okay. Aiza and Mevish, are you writing a prompt? If not, then you can verbally tell me. I can type it here. Faiza and Mevish, are you there? Have I got disconnected? Is anyone there? Nobody can hear me? Okay, I'll do it again. I will do it again, but I want you to write one description so that I can create that picture for you. Okay, like I wrote here one, that rainy day on a city street, and for more explanation and to make the image more accurate, I wrote children playing in rainwater. So you can think of anything, maybe a birthday party or maybe any kind of a celebration, anything, picnic at a seaside or in a water park. So you can write, you can just think of it and then let me know. So I'm going to add it as a prompt here, and then I'm going to create it for you. So let's do one thing. Let's create one. Okay. Acha. If I will remove this artistic picture, so you will see it will not look like an artwork. It will look like a normal picture. Okay. So let's do that as well and let's try. Okay. So let's say uh, birthday party. Okay. With the little girls. Acha, if I am going to mention the color as well, so it is going to, it is going to give me the specific picture with the same colors. Okay, it will try to be accurate. A birthday party with little girls and then dressed up in yellow. Okay, so okay, I wrote yellows. Okay, right. Now let's try to generate and let's see what it creates for us. Okay, so this is one of the apps that can help you in creating images. It sometimes happen that we are looking for something specific on Google but we don't find it. So what we can do here is we can create one of our own choice. हाँ, see, अब आपने देखा ये pictures real हैं. Did you see? Let me replace these. ठीक है, ये लोग शायद एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते होंगे, ये एआई ने कुछ पिक्चर्स बना दी हैं ऐसी. देख रहे हैं आप? Because I haven't written any artistic picture over here. I just wrote I need a picture. It gave me an original picture over here. All right. So when we write artistic or water painted, so it is going to give us a different look. Okay. Now the next thing. This was one of it. Now let's try our another app, which okay, let me close this one over here. Okay. I have already opened my account here. So there was one thing very interesting which I found, and that was Cartoonify. You can use it for creating your DP. You can use it to create your status, और there are a lot of things that you can create. ठीक है, आप अपनी और अपनी friends की pictures को cartoonify कर लें. ठीक है, so that will not give the real pictures. And it's not only your pictures. आप इसके अंदर कोई भी चीज डाल सकते हैं. अच्छा, I have already saved, एक मैंने एक goat की picture save कर ली थी for you to explain कि कैसे one real picture can turn into a cartoon. ठीक है, you can choose your picture, you can choose anybody's picture, your pet's picture, and then try to convert it into a, a cartoon like thing. Okay, see, I uploaded a real goat's picture and this has turned into a कार्टून. ठीक है, मतलब कार्टून तो नहीं बन गया बट आई मीन आप समझ रहे हैं ना मेरी बात. इट लुक्स लाइक अ कार्टून इमेज. ओके, नॉट अ रियल वन. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी कैन डू. एक ये कर लें एंड आई हैव सम मोर पिक्चर्स बट दोज आर माय ओन पर्सनल पिक्चर्स. लेट्स ट्राई टू कन्वर्ट दिस फ्लावर इनटू अ कार्टून एंड लेट्स सी कि ये कैसा दिखता है. So this is purposefully I have put it black and white in color because I wanted to share one thing with you. Okay, so this is a picture, and I'll just replace it with the background. And you see, that was an actual rose. Okay, but this looks like a sketched one. Okay, something that is not real. So, is anyone of you trying it with me? Gulina, Aiza, and Mehvish. Beta, is anyone trying these apps with me?
No, no, I'm actually doing it on my computer. So
Okay.
my tablet is on charge, so I can't.
Okay. So you are going to do it later. What about Aiza and Mehvish? Are you doing it here with me, or are you going to do it later? Please switch on your mic and tell me, beta. You are mute. Please unmute yourself and tell me, Aiza and Mehvish. You both there? Please reply me either in the chat box. Can you hear me? Okay, maybe you're getting my messages late because last time also you replied too late. G. Yes. What? Are you doing it with me, Aiza? Or are you going to do it later? Because if you are going to try it here at the moment, maybe if you find any problem, you can discuss it with me. Okay, you're going to do it later. Okay. And once you submit me these examples of any of these apps that we have done today, and then only I'm going to be issuing your certificate. Once I receive what have you done, okay, you with your proper name, father's name, okay, your complete name, you send me your work on my WhatsApp number, and then I'll be sending you your certificate. Okay, so these were a few apps, these two. Okay, now let's get back and let's find one more. Okay, and that's called, just let me check the name again. It was, okay, okay, that's the font frame. Okay, that's very interesting one. And okay, it's font and frame. Oh, I misspelled it. Oh, nahi hai. Okay, let me get back. Discover me. अच्छा, it's searching it in my apps. Please search font frame. Okay, there it goes. ठीक है, this is font frame. ये बड़ा मजे का है. Just let me open it and then I'll show you. Let me add one picture, add one more page over here so I can work over here on the same place. ठीक है, अब ये it has got two options over here. ठीक है, क्या करना है आपको? You have to either use okay, let's start with choosing one file. Okay, so I'm going to choose one file which I have just to save my time in case the internet doesn't work. So I am putting it over here. ठीक है, आप इसका प्रीव्यू भी देख सकते हो यहाँ पे. ठीक है, बट यहाँ पे टेक्स्ट लिखा हुआ है हेलो वर्ल्ड. ठीक है, here is the option to replace it. I'm not writing hello world here. I am writing over here bright, IGST, bright, and then in the next line I want forest. Okay, so what will happen, your text will contain the image that I have selected. Okay, so uh, let's see how it is creating. Can you see? So it has added twice because I pressed it twice. So let's do this and let's see. ठीक है, I have just put it on my background, so आप देख लें इसको. Okay, मैं इसे detach ही कर देती हूँ and let me resize it. Can you see? अगर मैं इसे caps lock में लिखूंगी, ठीक है, तो EIGST right and FOREST forest. Okay, and then if I'm going to add it here, you will see that let me delete the previous one. Okay, see, can you see that the image that I had selected has become the filler inside my text. Can you see? तो आप इस तरह से इसके अंदर कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, कोई भी अच्छी सी पिक्चर चूज कर लें आप, कोई ग्रेडियंट चूज कर लें, कुछ भी चूज कर लें. और ये मैंने कैसे किया, ये पिक्चर कहाँ से ली? आई जस्ट वेंट टू माय गूगल, और गूगल पे सर्च कर लेते हैं हम लोग. क्या सर्च करें? Give me something. What should I search? I need help. Can somebody help me in choosing the topic? अच्छा चलिए एक काम करते हैं, अभी हमने फॉरेस्ट सर्च किया था, अभी हम डेजर्ट, ठीक है, अच्छा ये डेजर्ट सफारी दे रहा है, तो लेट्स सी कि हम डेजर्ट सफारी चूज करते हैं, कुछ इमेजेस सर्च करते हैं। ओके, एंड इसमें से कोई अच्छी सी हम पिक्चर ले लेते हैं। ओके, तो ओके आई थिंक ये पिक्चर ले लेते हैं, बट लेट्स सी कि ये पिक्चर है भी या ये वेब पेज है। ठीक है, ओके दिस इज नाइस, एक्चुअली दिस इज नाइस। ओके, so let's try to save image as, okay yes, ठीक है, so this is an image and now let's get
Well,
back। जी बेटा,
I just came now. Can you please tell me what have you done yet?
okay we've recorded everything which I'll be sharing, okay you can watch it there, मगर अभी हम एक नया ऐप ट्राई कर रहे हैं and that's the font frame। ठीक है, इसमें हम क्या कर रहे हैं, we are choosing a picture and then we are writing text, so whatever picture we are choosing it's going to be fit inside the text। तो इसके अंदर क्या हो सकता है, आप इसको एक अच्छी सी हेडिंग भी बना सकते हैं, आप पोस्ट कार्ड भी बना सकते हैं। इफ यू आर वर्किंग एंड मेकिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ एन ई बुकलेट तो आप उसको अंदर भी यूज कर सकते हैं, और यू कैन डाउनलोड इट एज योर टाइटल, और आपने कोई पावर पॉइंट स्लाइड बनाई है तो उसके ऊपर भी आप इसे एज अ टाइटल यूज कर सकते हैं, तो दैट विल गिव अ वेरी
Okay.
नाइस इम्पैक्ट। ठीक है,
Thank you.
और अभी हमने एक पिक्चर नई डाउनलोड की थी एंड वी ट्राइड कि हम उसे रिप्लेस कर लें। सो आई एम डिलीटिंग दिस पिक्चर फ्रॉम हियर, आप डिलीट ना करें, आप ऐड पेज कर लें, दूसरे पेज पे चले जाएं। ठीक है, अभी मुझे नीड नहीं है, आई एम डिलीटिंग इट एंड देन इसका नाम लिखा हुआ है ब्राइट फॉरेस्ट, आई एम गोइंग टू इरेज इट फ्रॉम हियर, आई विल रिप्लेस इट एट डेजर्ट and safari। ठीक है, so now you will see that the text will be filled with the picture that I have uploaded। see, so I clicked it twice and have a look, the jeep is inside, the entire picture is actually inside। ठीक है, so this is a very nice thing, I find it very interesting, I have already used it myself as well, so I wanted to share it with you। बहुत अच्छी मजे की चीज है, especially I like making headings with it and then I use it later for other things, maybe my presentation or something। okay, अच्छा ये हो गया एक, there is one more app जो अभी हम बात करेंगे, थोड़ा सा टाइम है ना हमारे पास। yes, okay, so there is one more app which I'm going to search over here, let me just check the spelling, may I just check the spelling please? Yes, okay, so I'm going to find it in discover and what was the name? Okay, yes, so but there is one thing that it might morph, okay, this magic morph, okay, so it might happen कि ये आपके पास शायद ना भी चले because it's paid one, प्रीमियम पे है ये। ठीक है, okay, so I am going to select this morph। ठीक है, I'm going to add one new page over here। ठीक है, और मैं ये एक morph ले रही हूँ। ठीक है, and because I want object over here। अच्छा यहाँ पे डिस्क्राइब करना है। ठीक है, सबसे पहले एक क्या करना था हमको कि एलिमेंट चूज करना था वॉट एवर आई वॉन्ट, सो आई हैव टेकन morph फ्रॉम हियर एंड देन इट इज आस्किंग मी कि क्या दिखना चाहिए। ठीक है ना, तो सम एग्जांपल्स यहाँ पर हैं, जैसे बलून है, पंपकिन है, वुड है, डिफरेंट थिंग्स हैं। ठीक है ना, तो मुझे जो है ना बलून मुझे भी अच्छा लग रहा है, तो आई वांट दिस इन्फ्लेटेड, क्या कहते हैं इसको, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ बलून्स आर दीस, बच्चों आपने देखे होंगे ना क्या कहलाते हैं, हेल्प मी, क्या कहते हैं हम इनको जो बर्थडे पे लगाते हैं, फॉइल बलून्स है ना,
Foil balloons.
फॉइल बलून्स। ठीक है ना, इन्फ्लेटेड फॉइल बलून्स, और लेट्स नॉट राइट इट, लिखते हैं फॉइल बलून्स, एक स्पेसिफाई करेंगे कोई कलर हम, पिंक इन कलर, और एनी अदर डिस्क्रिप्शंस, कुछ और हम लिखें,
Sai.
सॉरी, हेलो, चलें अभी हम चलें ये करके देखते हैं। और let's create and let's see क्या करा है इसने. So it's creating 4 designs for us. So it's going to be up to us that any of these 4 designs, whichever we like, we can choose. Okay. Achha, these are not the end. You can always explore and you can always find more things over here, more apps. ठीक है ना? You don't need anybody's permission to explore them. ठीक है? अच्छा. Okay, let's have a look कि क्या इसने हमें बना के दिया है. Can you see? ये जो है, it already has one at the back. So let me delete this. Now can you see that whatever is written over here, it is looking like a balloon. ठीक है ना? That the foil paper balloon has been written. ठीक है? So आप इस तरह से इसको बहुत सारा एडिट कर सकते हैं. अब मुझे नहीं लग रहा कि इसके अंदर हम टेक्स्ट लिख सकते हैं, और मुझे इसलिए ऐसा लग रहा है क्योंकि हमारे पास तो और ऑप्शंस ही नहीं आ रहे हैं. ठीक है? टेक्स्ट यू आर स्टाइलिंग. ओके, दिस आई मिस्ड. तो कुछ लिख देते हैं यहाँ पे, हम कैनवा ही लिख लेते हैं भी. ठीक है, तो हम कैनवा लिख लेते हैं. और पिंक को इसने पर्पल कर दिया है, बट आई थिंक दैट्स फाइन. और डू यू वांट मी टू चेंज द कलर? रेड कर देते हैं इनको हम.
Purple and mix of blue.
पर्पल एंड मिक्स कर दें. रेड एंड क्या कर दें? रेड एंड
Blue.
रेड एंड ब्लू कर दें. चलें, सही. लेट्स ट्राई एंड लेट्स सी क्या बना रहा है. ओके, so since it is creating, whenever it is creating designs, it will always take time because these designs are not
Yes.
already available. It's creating these for you. Ji,
This app is not opening in my laptop.
I told you, see, it might be a problem that it is not going to open. Oh, इसने तो काफी कलरफुल से हमारे
So what can I do?
बेटे, this then it will not work because either you will have to purchase that or you try other apps that are free.
Okay.
ठीक है ना? तो दिस इज इट. एक और डिजाइन हम यहाँ रख के देख लेते हैं कि ये कैसा लग रहा है. ठीक है, तो लेट्स resize it. Let's see. Okay, अच्छा, ये भी not bad. It's looking nice. It's just the color are too vibrant. ठीक है, so this is it how you can work using Canva's apps. ठीक है, कैनवा के पास बहुत सारे ऐप्स हैं और बहुत सारे नए आ भी रहे हैं. ठीक है ना? इसके अंदर एक माइनक्राफ्ट वाला भी है. उसके अंदर यू कैन टर्न योर इमेजेस इनटू पिक्सल आर्ट. आप पिक्सल आर्ट बना लें या आप अपना कैरेक्टर जो है उसको माइनक्राफ्ट का कैरेक्टर में टर्न कर दें. वो बहुत मजे का है. ठीक है, सो डू डैट. बन जाए मुझसे ज़रूर शेयर करिएगा. ये मैं सामने बनाया है. आई विल बी ग्लैड टू सी योर वर्क. ठीक है, सो अभी के लिए तो दिस इज इट. आज हमारी कैनवा की लास्ट क्लास है. ओके, और आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू कि अगर कुछ भी पूछना है तो प्लीज गो अहेड. किसी को कुछ पूछना है तो प्लीज पूछे.
Miss, we have learned about 4 apps now.
Yes, we did almost 4 apps today. Okay,
Today,
yes, today only we tried to explore more. ठीक है, so and there's one more thing that I have left a Padlet feedback form on my WhatsApp, I guess last week, and I wish कि आप लोग उसे फिल कर दें, अपना फीडबैक दे दें कि आपको क्लासेस कैसी लगी. कुछ और आपको सीखना है तो we'll try to arrange classes regarding it. ठीक है, so for today this is it. See you at 6 for all those who are taking Python class today. Okay बेटा, अल्लाह हाफिज.
okay, this.
अल्लाह हाफिज.
Allah Hafiz.
अल्लाह हाफिज बेटा.
Allah Hafiz.
You'll find the recording on YouTube. Okay.